Hello guys and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video. So today we are going to be looking at YEARN Finance or YFI. YFI is currently at the $7,283 level. We're currently ranked at 269 with a market cap of about $244 million. So today we are going to be looking at the bull market EMAs, where they are and what that means right here for YFI going forward. So sit back, relax and enjoy the video. So YFI in the last 24 hours down just a 0.11%. But in the last week, we are up 10.9%. Without further ado, let us push to the chart, right? So we are right here on the chart for YFI versus the USD Theta on the daily time frame, Binance yesterday. So the first thing we have been doing, as you can see, we have been looking at this consolidation right here. Sorry, this was the consolidation right here we had been looking at. We were saying expect the breakout. We saw this breakout retest, and as you can see, prices have continued right back to the upside, right? With the trending EMAs or the bull market EMAs, this gives you a very clear perspective of what was happening. As you can see, we were saying our prices were below right here the bull market EMAs. As you can see, prices flipped above, came back to retest, and currently we are seeing the push to the upside. Trending EMAs continue to remain bullish. We are above the first bull market EMA, above the second, and as you can see, we are consolidating, right? So basically, we are still expecting a push towards that $9,000, where we have the EMA or the bull market EMA 3 right here for YFI. Another reason we continue to remain bullish right here on YFI is the volume profile. Volume profile had flipped very bullish right here, struck the momentum seen from 24th of August, right? We have been seeing these blue vibe volumes, basically weak volume coming in. So we have been seeing weak buys, but the weak buys were more than the sells, right? So this is smart money basically buying, and as you can see, momentum has been in favor of the bulls since then, and we saw that flip basically happen, which means massive volume coming in right here in November, and as you can see, prices have continued to remain bullish. Currently, the bulls are still in control, but just in terms of volume and in terms of momentum, which means we should continue to expect higher price targets for YFI. So basically, that's the update on YFI. Thank you for watching and have a blessed week.